So sales is the term used for the activities that occur that lead to the exchange of goods or services to a buyer for a profit. That means they bought something and you got money for it, right? Sales are responsible for meeting daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly sales goals that the company sets. Now, if the company hasn't set sales goals, then you as a salesperson or sales rep have to set your own goals, whether that be for the month. That's probably best to set it for the month, then work your way back. What are the targets you need to meet every week to ensure that that happens? So if your sales goals for the month are $45,000, then you know you need around $15,000 a week to move forward with that. And that gives you, of course, around a 7-day buffer in there to, inch forward or back with your target. And that, of course, then requires you executing very precise steps.